IBM Full Stack Software Developer Professional Certificate. Prepare for a career as a full-stack developer. Gain the in-demand skills and hands-on experience to get job-ready in less than 4 months. No prior experience required. What will you learn? Master the most up-to-date practical skills and tools that full-stack developers use in their daily roles. Learn how to deploy and scale applications using cloud-native methodologies and tools such as containers, Kubernetes, Microservices, and Serverless. Develop software with front-end development languages and tools such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and Bootstrap. Build your GitHub portfolio by applying your skills to multiple labs and hands-on projects, including a Capstone. Skills you'll gain: Git, cloud applications, HTML, cloud computing, distributed version control, open source, JavaScript, hybrid multi-cloud, DevOps, CSS, IaaS PaaS SaaS, and cloud native. Professional Certificate, 12-course series. Prepare for a career in the high-growth field of software development. In this program, you'll learn in-demand skills and tools used by professionals for front-end, back-end, and cloud-native application development to get job-ready in less than 4 months. Full stack refers to the end-to-end computer system application, including the front end and back end coding. This professional certificate covers development for both of these scenarios. Cloud-native development refers to developing a program designed to work on cloud architecture. The flexibility and adaptability that full-stack and cloud-native developers provide make them highly sought after in this digital world. You'll learn how to build, deploy, test, run, and manage full-stack cloud-native applications. Technologies covered includes Cloud Foundations, GitHub, Node.js, React, CI/CD, containers, Docker, Kubernetes, OpenShift, Istio, databases, NoSQL, Django ORM, Bootstrap, application security, Microservices, serverless computing, and more. After completing the program, you will have developed several applications using front-end and back-end technologies and deployed them on a cloud platform using cloud-native methodologies. You will publish these projects through your GitHub repository to share your portfolio with your peers and prospective employers. This program is ACE and FIBAO recommended. When you complete, you can earn up to 18 college credits and 6 ECTS credits. Here are the 12 course series in this certification. 1. Introduction to Cloud Computing. 2. Introduction to Web Development with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. 3. Getting started with Git and GitHub. 4. Developing front-end apps with React. 5. Developing back-end apps with Node.js and Express. 6. Python for data science, AI, and development. 7. Developing AI applications with Python and Flask. 8. Django application development with SQL and databases. 9. Introduction to containers W/Docker, Kubernetes, and OpenShift. 10. Application development using microservices and serverless. 11. Full Stack Cloud Development Capstone Project. 12. Full Stack Software Developer Assessment. Applied Learning Projects. Throughout the courses in the professional certificate, you will develop a portfolio of hands-on projects involving various popular technologies and programming languages in full-stack cloud application development. These projects include creating HTML pages on cloud object storage, an interest rate calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, an AI program deployed on Cloud Foundry using DevOps principles and CI/CD toolchains with a NoSQL database, a Node.js backend application and a React front-end application, a containerized guestbook app packaged with Docker deployed with Kubernetes and managed with OpenShift, a Python app bundled as a package, a database-powered application using Django ORM and Bootstrap, an app built using microservices and serverless, a scalable, cloud-native full-stack application using the technologies learned in previous courses. You will publish these projects through your GitHub repository to share your skills with your peers and prospective employers. To access this course for free, see the download link in the video description. Until next time, happy learning!